My name is Steve Oswanski. I work for TPS as an animal science instructor. I've been here about 7 years, and our students here at the Natural Science Technology Center, they work with their hands. We focus on natural science, but we love to build all sorts of things, and we are committed to service work through our FFA organization. And so whenever we have a chance to work with partners like Let's Build Beds, our students are really excited to do good work, real work with their hands for the community.
Let's Build Beds is a charitable organization that's based right here in Waterville, Ohio, and we serve an area of Northwest Ohio and Southeast Michigan, and we provide beds for children that don't have one of their own. We're very grateful for Toledo Public Schools' engagement with us, and because the beds that they're helping produce, that these young men and women are producing, that are going into the community for the children right here in Northwest Ohio and Southeast Michigan.
It's been fun. I did it like twice now, and I've had fun just working with the wood and making everything. Having a bed is fun. Like, you can just lay there and do homework and sleep and watch movies and stuff, and everyone needs to feel that in life.
Building beds, I get to have a hands-on experience that correlates to my favorite passion, which would just be hard work and labor.
So far it's been fun. It's a lot of work, and there's a lot we still have to do, but it's kind of exciting, and it gives us something to do rather than sit in class.
My experience so far has been really fun. It's a lot of fun to know that I can help a lot of these children who don't have beds, and it's a lot of fun to use all these new power tools that I've never gotten to see before.
If you have a child or know a child between the ages of 3 to 17 that doesn't have a bed, send a message to Let's Build Beds Facebook page. You can click the sign up link or letsbuild.org.
We got lucky working with Let's Build and Dan and Mike. They gave this great opportunity. Our kids are ready to go, and when we put it all together, it's a partnership that I hope lasts for a long time.